место. По 16 устали целоваться. Ты взяла мою футболку, в этом нету толку. Это я дурак, ошибался. Зачем я так влюблялся? Одесса, помню наше место.
Welcome to Motor Means. That first crack of a high-rev flat six, it grabs you in the chest. Goosebumps, grin, instant obsession. We'll hit exterior, interior, performance, engine, tires, and suspension, top speed, and yes, the price. So stick around for the MSRP reveal. Exterior. Look at it. Huge fixed wing, louvers over the front fenders, aggressive front splitter, and dive planes that actually look like they eat air for breakfast. From the three-quarter shot, the hips are massive. The wheel arches bulge, and the side intakes feel purposeful, like the car's wearing a race suit. Interior. You sit low. Alcantara and carbon everywhere. Full bucket seats hug you like a vice. The dash keeps the essentials. Big analog tack in the middle with clear digital backing, tactile switches where they belong. Storage? Minimal. Comfort? Functional. This is built to be fast first, cozy second. Engine. A 4-liter, naturally aspirated flat six that screams to a 9,000 RPM redline and is tuned to about 518 horsepower with roughly 342 to 343 pound-feet of torque. It sends power to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, razor-sharp shifts, track-ready setup. 0 to 60 in the high 2s under the right conditions. If you're enjoying this breakdown, please like and subscribe. It really helps Motor Means. Which trim would you pick? The hardcore RS or the slightly tamer touring style? Tell me below. Tires and suspension. It rides on sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup rubber, 275/35 ZR20 front and 335/30 ZR21 rear on typical spec, with control arm front suspension and adaptive dampers tuned for track attacks. Expect a firm, surgical ride, unforgiving at slow speeds, sublime on a twisty road. Headlights. Modern LED clusters with Porsche's signature DRL graphics, sharp at night and purposeful during aggressive lane changes. They're functional, not flashy. Same ethos as the rest of the car. Dashboard and infotainment. The center screen is purposeful, approximately 10.9-inch system in the 911 family, with focused menus. The cockpit prioritizes feedback over flashy gimmicks. Controls are where your hands expect them. Top speed. Manufacturer claims sits around 296 kilometers per hour, roughly 184 miles per hour, which matches its track car DNA. Price. Expect a wallet-freeing starting MSRP in the low to mid 240K range for recent model years. Configurator entries for newer model years show base figures creeping toward 250K, depending on market and options. Don't be shocked if a fully loaded RS eclipses 300K. Maintenance. Tires, carbon ceramic brakes, and track use are expensive. On the bright side, Porsche includes limited warranty terms and often a year of basic maintenance new. But regular service, insurance, and depreciation add up fast. Expect high running costs if you actually drive it hard. Is it worth buying in 2025-2026? If you live for track days, weekend canyon runs, or want a high-value collectible, yes, buy it. If you want daily comfort, value, or cheap upkeep, look elsewhere. Pros. The GT3 RS delivers a blistering, naturally aspirated engine that thrills every time you hit the throttle. World-class chassis and suspension that make corners feel like magic, and legendary Porsche DNA that combines track pedigree with street usability. Cons. The ride is stiff and unforgiving at slower speeds. Luggage and storage space are minimal, and the purchase price plus maintenance can be shockingly high for everyday use. Overall verdict: this is a focused, no-compromise track car that still behaves on the street when needed. 3 quick pros: insane engine, world-class chassis, legendary Porsche DNA. 3 cons: cost, ride harshness, and minimal practicality. Final line: that first howl never gets old. If that gives you goosebumps, the GT3 RS probably belongs in your garage. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Motor Means for more reviews.